In this video, we are going to learn Chinese passive voice. The passive voice in Chinese can be expressed using several verbs, including 被, 叫, and 让. Each of these verbs has a slightly different nuance and usage. We will learn 9 grammatical points related to 被, 叫, 让 in this video.
小明昨天在公园被狗追了。小明昨天在公园被狗追了。小丽被老鼠吓到，差点晕倒了。小丽被老鼠吓到，差点晕倒了。因为他们成绩优越，他们同时被耶鲁大学录取了。因为他们成绩优越，他们同时被耶鲁大学录取了。
窗怎么破了？窗怎么破了？
叫小孩给打破了。叫小孩给打破了。
不好意思，票叫我给丢了。能让我入场吗？不好意思，票叫我给丢了。能让我入场吗？
没票是不能入场的。没票是不能入场的。
小明没做功课，叫爸爸骂了。小明没做功课，叫爸爸骂了。
你怎么哭成这样？你怎么哭成这样？
我让女朋友给甩了。我让女朋友给甩了。
他的家让洪水淹没了。他的家让洪水淹没了。他的蛋糕让弟弟吃光了。他的蛋糕让弟弟吃光了。
Key grammar points. Let us go through the 9 grammar points for 被, 叫, and 让. Number 1, sentence pattern for 被, 叫, 让. For a 被 sentence, the sentence structure is subject, which is the receiver of action, plus 被, plus object, doer of the action, plus verb, plus other elements, which is the result caused by the action. For 叫 or 让 sentence, the sentence structure is exactly the same as 被. Let us look at a sentence example for better understanding. 弟弟的玩具被小狗抢走了。You can change 被 to 叫 or 让. And the sentence becomes 弟弟的玩具叫 or 让小狗抢走了。弟弟的玩具被 or 叫 or 让小狗抢走了。Younger brother's toy was snatched away by the puppy. Number 2, object in 被 sentence can be omitted, but object in 叫 or 让 sentence cannot be omitted. 手表被妹妹弄坏了。手表让 or 叫妹妹弄坏了。My watch was broken by my sister. In the 被 sentence, you can omit 妹妹 and the sentence becomes 手表被弄坏了。But if you use 让 or 叫, you cannot omit 妹妹. You cannot say 手表让 or 叫弄坏了。Number 3, in a notionally passive sentence, 被叫让 are normally not used. For example, 作业做完了 literally means homework was finished. When the subject is something that cannot perform any action, such as 作业, the verb predicate is used with a passive meaning. Hence, in sentences where it is not necessary to specify the doer of an action, 被 or 叫 or 让 are normally not used. Number 4. The predicate in a passive sentence using 被 or 让 or 叫 must be a transitive verb that can affect the subject. 小明的书被小丽借走了 literally means 小明's book has been borrowed by 小丽. In this sentence, you can change 被 to 让 or 叫, and the sentence becomes 小明的书让 or 叫小丽借走了. Number 5. The verb predicate in a passive sentence using 被 让 叫 is normally followed by 了 or 过 but not 这. Sentence example: 他被 or 让 or 叫车撞了. You can also say 他被 or 让 or 叫车撞过. He has been hit by a car before. Number 6. To negate a 被让叫 sentence, you need to insert 没 or 没有 directly in front of 被让叫. Sentence example: 他没 or 他没有被车撞. 他没有让车撞. 他没有叫车撞. He wasn't hit by a car. In a negative sentence, it is wrong to add 了 at the end of the sentence. You cannot say 他没有被车撞了. It is also wrong to place 没有 after 被让叫. You cannot say 他被没有车撞. Number 7. 被 is a written language, but 叫 or 让 are colloquial terms. 他被学校选为22年度最佳青年. He was selected by the school as the best youth of the year 2022. In formal situations like this, 被 is used rather than 叫 or 让. Number 8. Using 人 when the doer of an action is not clear. 苹果被人咬了一口. You can change 被 to 让 or 叫. 苹果让人咬了一口. 苹果叫人咬了一口. The apple was eaten by someone. Number 9. In a 被叫让 sentence, the predicate verbs must follow other elements. A monosyllabic verb cannot be used by itself. 他全身被雨淋湿了. 他全身让雨淋湿了. 他全身叫雨淋湿了. His whole body was soaked by the rain. It is incorrect to say 他全身被雨淋 or 叫雨淋 or 让雨淋.